Hello YouTube, welcome to Air Fryer Tuesday. Today we're going to cook Lily's Toaster Grills. That's that American grilled cheese, hot and crispy. Let's go right to the air fryer. Alright, so in this box YouTube you get 2 of those grilled cheese sandwiches. It's not going to take long to do this, so you're better to start off with less minutes and you could always add, but you can't take back. So look at the grilled cheese, that's pretty cool. Alright YouTube, so we have that in there. You see how that grilled cheese is? Stick it in. 350 for a minute and it'll start counting down. It's not going to take long. If it takes a little bit longer, you just add another minute. But it'll start counting down, and basically it's 350 at 1 minute. You see it counting down? Alright YouTube, that wasn't enough, so I flipped it over and we're going to push it in. We're going to do it for another minute at 350. You'll see that counting down. So in total, you're going to want to do it for 2 minutes at 350. But maybe you want to do it like this so you can flip it. So I'll see you at the plate. Alright YouTube, so there's that toaster grill American cheese. I just found this in the frozen section. Look at that. So just be careful, it's warm. And we're going to cut it open. Alright YouTube, so you can see that I cut that open. And look at that cheese. It's hard to really get it on camera. Look at that cheese. And let me take a bite of this. That's so good. That is so good. You can't go wrong with these Lily Toaster Grills grilled cheese. See you soon. Hit like and subscribe.